Hello and welcome to one of our more recent projects here, a home that was left unfinished and just house wrapped for such a long time, as you can see. But we were hired to do what we do best, install the James Hardie Color Plus siding and help these homeowners quickly transform the exterior of their home so that it now looks stunning and fits in here just like the beautiful Northwest environment that it is located in here in the Pests River, Idaho area north of Coeur d'Alene. Hello and welcome. My name is Aaron. I'm with Direct Siding. We specialize in pre-finished siding, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button real quick. Super appreciate that. That does help us and what we're doing here. So I want to welcome you to this job site, and yeah, as you can see, these homeowners, they actually acquired this home, and it was left like this from the initial builder for many years. So it's just actually the house wrap did perform fairly well on most sides of the home, but the house wrap's really not meant to be left like this for years, especially in an environment like this that has snow buildup around the actual home. Truly just don't recommend leaving a house without an actual siding system. But we were hired to come in here, and we specialize in the James Hardie Color Plus siding, so really helping these homeowners eliminate another trade of having to have paint in here after us. They immediately have a 15-year finish with one of the best sidings out there, which is resilient to weather, water, pests, and fire. Truly James Hardie is in a class of its own right now. 8 million homes and counting, and the Hardie warranty and just the product performance really speaks for itself. In an environment like this, having that cement board siding is a real nice peace of mind too for the homeowners. As you can see, there's just fuel everywhere, a lot of forest around here, and when you're in an environment where you're worried about fire safety, having this just beautiful James Hardie cement board siding doesn't have anything really to burn. So when you have a barbecue fire from a barbecue that's right up against the house, or a forest fire, there's nothing here from the siding perspective that is flammable. So other parts of the home certainly need to be protected, but the James Hardie siding can do an incredible job at helping your home really avoid disaster there. So this is the Mountain Sage siding color, beautiful dark green, really goes well in areas like this with the forestry, also in neighborhoods as well. And the customers chose a cobblestone trim here, so really just looks beautiful with the red roof that they have there, and fits very well into the setting here in Pests River, Idaho. Now, aside from fire safety and general just protection from the elements and pests, one other area I really like to mention about James Hardie siding is the value that you're going to add to your property. Now, residing your home, it's one of the larger projects out there for sure from a ticket standpoint, compared to something that's going to bring as much value on the interior. It's going to be like a kitchen remodel. Truly it's a big project. And so the thing about James Hardie, specifically cement board siding, is it's the #1 return on investment for projects on the exterior standpoint over $10,000. And that was from a report from Home Remodeling Magazine. James Hardie siding, the Color Plus especially, has a great brand name behind it. So if you're considering selling your home, really at any point, in the coming years, this product provides a 15-year paint finish warranty and a 30-year product warranty. So it's a great product from an investment standpoint that actually adds an incredible amount of value back to the home, compared to really almost any other general siding out there, like LP Smart Side, Allura, or or a vinyl product especially, all of these products, they really don't have any brand name, and especially compared to James Hardie. And so this, dollar for dollar, you're going to get a lot more return on your investment. And as you can see, it's just stunningly beautiful and really looks great in its environment. So I want to thank you for joining me for this transformation. If you have any questions at all, please mention them in the comments. We love the feedback from our watchers out there, and hope this video does provide somebody out there some helpful information so that you make a better choice with your siding project. Please let us know how we can help. Thanks so much again. My name is Aaron with Direct Siding. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you soon.